Hello everybody. Today we're visiting our Marano Ticino plant near Novara. This factory is the latest addition to our group. We're talking about nearly 9,000 square meters. In this factory, every year, we assemble and pre-test in the presence of our customers roughly 20 lines. As of late though, I must say, as a sign of the times, some lines are being tested virtually. As you can see, we are testing a 1.5 meter all Rolex stretch line. To my right, you can see two field technicians that are taking their final test. They are completing their training course that they've been doing over the last 3 months. Their tutor is Andrea Bernacchi. He is one of our senior field technicians. He's still very young, but believe me, very, very experienced. Hi Andrea, how's the training session going today? Are you satisfied with your pupils?
Hi Anthony, they are doing a great job. I think they are ready for running with our line.
Way to go, Andrea.
Thank you, Anthony.
This is Nicola Lombardini, our R&D manager. Nicola's putting one of our flagship 3 meter all Rolex lines through its paces. We are pre-testing this line for a Brazilian customer. Nicola, how is the line running today?
The line is running very smoothly. In a few days we will complete all the internal tests and the line will be ready for shipment.
Okay, so it's all running smoothly. Great news. So before signing out, let's take a quick look at our factory in Bastia Umbra, near Perugia. Here we have our division dedicated to bubble wrap lines. This is where we develop our converting machines for bubble wrap films, as well as assembling all speedy winding units for our all Rolex stretch lines. Okay, it's time to go. Thanks for watching and see you soon.